Life's a Lemon, Understanding English Idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to dive into the colorful world of English idioms. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, life's a lemon. This idiom might sound strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in everyday conversation. Let's get started. Before we delve into our main idiom, it's essential to understand what idioms are. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that is different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Idioms often reflect cultural specificities and are used to express a particular sentiment in a concise way. Now, let's focus on the phrase, life's a lemon. This idiom is used to express the idea that life is full of challenges or difficulties, similar to the sourness of a lemon. It's important to note that the phrase doesn't imply that life is always difficult, but rather that everyone faces tough times occasionally. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. After losing his job, he said, "Well, sometimes life's a lemon." Here, the phrase is used to express acceptance of a difficult situation. 2. She always makes the best out of life's lemons by staying positive. In this example, the phrase is tweaked to life's lemons to indicate multiple challenges. There are other similar idioms, like, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. This means that one should always try to turn negative situations into positive ones. Knowing related expressions helps in understanding the context and nuances of idiomatic language. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, life's a lemon. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and depth to the language. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English idioms like a native speaker. See you in our next video.